In front of me is Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by clicking on Settings, then scroll down and access System. Over here you need to tap on Language and Input, then select Virtual Keyboard and finally Gboard. Now click on Theme and scroll down. Over here you need to choose Show More to see all available themes, and when you're ready, tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Then manage keyboarders by clicking on this sweater and save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with maybe that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then you need to select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Lastly, tap on Apply and go back. As you can see, this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!